on the back of the machine, before you start the machine, make sure all your connections are installed. So your oxygen out, hydrogen out, the oxygen and the hydrogen vent. Make sure that the nitrogen ports are plugged off and that your water line is connected and supplied by type 3 distilled water. When it comes to your chiller, on the left you got your supply line, on the right you got your return line. Make sure that this hose is as short as possible. We are using longer hoses here. It's not a big problem for testing purposes, but when you actually have normal operation of the machine, you should make sure that the hose is as short as possible in order to increase the efficiency of the chiller. So make sure the electrolyzer is placed as close as possible to the chiller. Then also make sure that all your cables are connected as described in the earlier part of the video. So your L1 on the left, L2, L3, your neutral and your ground cable, and close the electrical connection cover. And now you can start the machine.